Foods that cleans your colon naturally. Welcome to the Fast Vegan. Today, we'll be discussing foods that naturally cleans your colon, promoting gut health and overall well-being. A healthy colon is essential for proper digestion and the absorption of nutrients. Incorporating these natural colon-cleansing foods into your diet can help improve your gut health. Don't forget to visit thefastveganbrand.com for more tips and resources on living a healthy, vegan lifestyle. 1. Fiber-rich fruits. Fiber-rich fruits help cleanse the colon by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Some great fruit options for colon health include apples, berries, pears, kiwi. According to the American Dietetic Association, consuming adequate fiber daily can help support a healthy digestive system. Be sure to like and subscribe. It helps the channel out. 2. Leafy greens. Leafy greens are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, all of which contribute to a healthy colon. Some examples of beneficial leafy greens are spinach, kale, Swiss chard, romaine lettuce. A study published in the journal Nutrients has shown that consuming leafy greens can help maintain a healthy gut microbiome. 3. Whole grains. Whole grains are an excellent source of fiber and can help cleanse the colon by promoting regular bowel movements. Some whole grains to incorporate into your diet are brown rice, quinoa, barley, oats. The American Heart Association recommends consuming whole grains for their potential digestive and heart health benefits. 4. Legumes. Legumes are high in fiber and can help cleanse the colon by supporting regular bowel movements. Some examples of legumes to include in your diet are lentils, chickpeas, black beans, kidney beans. A review published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that consuming legumes can help improve gut health and prevent constipation. 5. Fermented foods. Fermented foods are rich in probiotics, which can help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria and support colon health. Some fermented foods to consider adding to your diet are sauerkraut, kimchi, kombucha, tempeh. Research from the journal Nutrients has demonstrated that consuming probiotics can help improve gut health and overall well-being. By incorporating these natural colon-cleansing foods into your diet, you can support a healthy colon and improve your gut health. Remember, a healthy gut is essential for overall well-being. For more information and resources, visit thefastveganbrand.com.